Walking the fairway with your hands free and your posture upright changes how you feel by the 18th hole. Most golfers spend half their energy wrestling with a heavy bag or pushing a clumsy cart. But these remote-controlled machines turn the round into a casual stroll. We are looking at two of the most dominant forces in the electric trolley world. One is a rugged, heavy-duty caddy built for the toughest terrain you can find. The other is a sleek, refined piece of engineering that feels more like a luxury vehicle than a piece of sports equipment. The rugged Navigator is the workhorse of the group. It is designed with a low center of gravity and a wide stance that makes it feel incredibly stable. When you are traversing a side hill, you can see the tires digging in to maintain their line. It does not wobble. It does not feel flimsy. The remote is direct and highly responsive. You press a button and it reacts without a millisecond of delay. It is a simple, effective tool for the golfer who wants durability and power. This machine is built to last for years of heavy use on courses that are far from flat. It handles thick grass and muddy paths with a level of traction that is truly impressive. On the other hand, the premium smart trolley takes a completely different approach. This model is all about sophistication and modern design. It looks polished and expensive. The folding system is one of its best features. It shrinks down into a very small size, making it much easier to fit into a crowded garage or a compact car trunk. Once it is on the grass, the movement is smooth and graceful. It often includes intelligent features like downhill braking. This means the motor automatically slows the unit down when you are heading down a steep slope, so it never runs away from you. The control feels a bit more sensitive and refined. It is for the player who enjoys the latest technology and a sleek aesthetic, while the Navigator feels like a mountain climber. The premium smart model feels like a high-end sedan. Both of these machines offer enough battery life to easily sail through a full round of golf. You will likely find yourself with plenty of power left over even after walking several miles. They both come equipped with an extra wheel in the back to prevent the unit from tipping over on steep hills. It is a vital safety feature that gives you peace of mind when you are far away from your bag. The choice between them is really a choice of personality. Do you prefer the raw, planted feel of a rugged machine that can go anywhere? Or do you want the polished, quiet, and tech-forward experience of a premium trolley? Both options allow you to save your strength for your swing rather than wasting it on hauling your gear. You get to enjoy the walk and focus on the game. One offers pure reliability while the other offers a more elegant way to play. They represent the peak of modern golf convenience. It is about reclaiming your energy for the shots that actually matter. Neither choice will disappoint you on the turf. It simply comes down to whether you want a sturdy tank or a refined cruiser to follow you to the cup.